there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
There's less than 2 weeks to go until the launch of the Pixel 4 and 4 XL, and there's already not much we don't know about the Android 10 flagships. Google itself has confirmed the handset's square-shaped camera arrays and motion sensing solely tech, and a number of online leaks and murmurs have revealed almost everything else. Expect a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 SoC under the hood paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB storage, a 90Hz refresh rate display and bigger batteries than last year's Pixel 3 and 3 XL. The first one of the two videos accessed by 9 to 5 Google shows how fast and efficiently, the Face Unlock feature would work in case of the Pixel 4 smartphones. The video, which appears to be a promotional video for the upcoming Pixel 4 smartphone, shows a woman checking a notification on what looks like a Pixel 4 smartphone with P4 wallpaper almost instantaneously. The time lag seems almost negligible. The other video is more thorough as it demonstrates various situations in which Pixel 4 users can use the phone's motion sense technology to swipe their hands across the phone's screen to perform various tasks. These use cases that the second promotional video demonstrates include silencing an alarm, silencing an incoming phone call, and skipping tracks in YouTube Music. All users had to do was swipe their hand across the phone's screen. Separately, the publication has also shared the entire specs sheet for the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL smartphones. The Google Pixel 4 will come with a 5.7-inch Full HD Plus smooth display and a 2800 mAh battery, while the Pixel 4 XL will come with a 6.3-inch Quad HD Plus smooth display and a 3700 mAh battery. Both the phones will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor and come with Pixel Neural Core for processing images. The two phones are likely to sport 6GB RAM and come in 64GB and 128GB memory variants. Both the phones will come with a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 12MP dual pixel lens and a 16MP telephoto lens. However, there is no word on details pertaining to front camera yet. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then click the thumbs up button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.